Kansas State University Salina is pushing drone technology further, one expert UAS pilot at a time. From your very first semester, you'll be in the field logging real flight hours on real UAS. We're a destination where we don't just study. We fly real-world missions that prepare students for real-world careers. Industry mentors are within reach, and opportunities aren't lost in the crowd. Thanks to our partnership with key federal, state, and private entity leaders, you'll gain access to advanced airspace flights, dedicated beyond visual line-of-sight operations areas, applied research opportunities, and real-world environments. You'll progress from foundational skills to complex missions, taking on roles such as remote pilot in command, air vehicle operators, and instructor pilot. Choose a career from agriculture spraying to large drone cargo delivery and step directly into one of the fastest growing sectors of aviation. No matter what you choose, you'll graduate with substantial flight time, operational experience, and technical expertise. Our students aren't waiting for what's next. They are what's next.